Shavi?
Going to Lake Paris.
Yep. We are on our way to check out another 240. We wanted to start a new build since the last 240 we bought was a complete disaster. So we're gonna go to Baxy's house right now because she is selling her black S13 coupe. So I've always wanted a coupe and it's black, so it'll match the LS. And we're just gonna go check it out right now. Hopefully everything checks out and no rust, clean. See how much she wants for it.
I'm not gonna touch it anymore. I don't even touch this one, so might as well. No, it's going home with me. But the thing is, it does need a lot of work, so you know. I gutted it because I was gonna change the interior, but all the stuff is in the trunk, like all the interior stuff. It needs a clutch. I'm probably gonna need the brakes bled. It needs like the whole interior needs to be put back together, so yeah. But I mean, it drives.
Okay.
But yeah, you can test drive it or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
What year is it?
89. 1989, and it has the super front end. It's a stock KA.
What's the suspension and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Any arms or anything?
It's gonna be on the vlog.
Yeah. Yeah, but it needs work. It's a project. I bought it because it's a project, you know. But like I said, I don't have time. I'm not gonna touch it. It's been sitting for a year, so. It's somewhere there. Or I just hold it. It's gonna fall. No, but... Somebody farted.
I was like,
but yeah, it's
full babysitting.
yeah.
Did it get twin turbos in there?
No.
Somewhere. Has a coil.
Are the projectors the projector ones or like?
No, they're just the regular.
They're bricks.
Yeah.
These are bricks.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the lens, like the bulbs. It's like
Yeah.
regular halogen. Doesn't have like LED or anything. Yeah, but yeah. I'm sad, but yeah. What it is, what it is.
Look at the babies. Gotta pick the front end off.
Yeah, you guys can go through it. Like, it's fine. But you'll see right now if you do drive it, like how it smokes where the shifter is. So you can see it, like it needs a clutch and all that.
Some transmission.
A transmission, yeah.
Sick ass spider webs.
I'm telling you, dude, it's been sitting for a year. Oh yeah, it's Cat Nation in there. And I don't think you guys want it. I don't think you want the seats.
What?
These seats.
Oh.
They're so ugly. At least it has back seats.
Yeah.
Smells weird.
Everything's already gone up.
Cracked out dash.
Oh, still got that overlay. though.
Oh yeah.
Need a new engine. Need everything new.
Oh, this is
Stop bolting on it. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I gutted it, so if you do take it, you're gonna have to find out how everything goes back together. You're gonna have to figure it out. all the bolts and everything is here and in the trunk, but I gutted it, and whoever buys it is just gonna have to be like, all everything's in here. All the I painted everything, it's black, but like everything is in bags.
Okay.
So I mean everything's here, but
Okay.
and I put the antenna on for you. A year ago. Yeah, but then I broke the
Checking the underneath.
Dude, because I know where they fucking start resting. The rails are straight on, that's what it's just.
What do you think?
Everything's here. Looks good.
You just need to drive it.
Oh,
The rails are straight. That's like a little bit.
I really want to go. You just wanted to take a picture at
It's like bubbling and shit.
the. Yeah.
Hey, Batsy, can
Yeah.
we open the trunk?
Yeah.
It's like surface stuff is cool, but I don't know.
Do you want me to take it out? Okay.
Because mine
State
was.
rep, right?
What?
It's
not state rep.
No. Nothing wrong with it. The tags are up to date. It's clean. It's just old.
Does it smog pretty legally? Or
I smoked it illegally, but I'm not sure if it'll pass. I just didn't want to take any chances.
yeah.
So I just did it illegally. But it's because I have a guy who does it like cheaper. So I just.
What light are you using?
Just a, you know,
Oh, it's the new
Karuma
Karuma.
LED light, you know,
It works pretty well.
works really well. See, look, you can.
The
Not real
jets.
precise. Boom! Woo! Look at that. Pow.
Really?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, time for the test drive, right?
That's more reliable. Single jingle.
Time to go. All right, time to test drive this baby.
All right. Brake is on. So we're good.
We're already going so fast.
Yeah.
But when you drive it, drive fast. You can see what I'm talking about. That it rattles really bad.
Okay.
On the shifter.
Brakes are kind of
Bad.
soft.
Did they say they just did like a brake thing or something? Or?
I think so.
All kinds of noises. I think it just needs a lot of maintenance and
Yeah.
work. You need to replace the mounts and
Don't feel like Feels pretty solid.
Yeah, for NA. It's going home.
Going home. I could.
It's real now.
Alright guys, we just got back to the yard. 240 is about to go on the rack. We're going to be starting a build process, so there's going to be a lot more frequent uploads. And yeah,
Let's
stay
get
tuned
started.
for some more videos.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
We're good. You can stop there. Alright, first things first.